You can read my shirt. Gotta be able to read the old shirt, you know what I'm saying? Welcome back to Rustic Rimfire 22, guys. What's going on, guys? Got a target hung up down here at the 50. It's just, we're gonna shoot some groups here. It's a little windy. We had a bad storm last night, and I'm just taking a break. We got sticks and tree limbs and all kinds of trash everywhere, and I'm just not feeling like it right this minute. So we got the Ruger out, West Hunter scope, 6-24, nothing spectacular. eBay barrel, eBay stock, scope, the trigger I had here, and the receiver I had here. So this is one of those pieced together deals. But anyway, we got the, like I said, we got the RWS SUBSONIC rifle, target rifle. Well, I'm having the same problem I did yesterday. Wow. So everything's coming out backwards. Normatec, rifle match, standard plus, target rifle, and the SUBSONIC. Let me get you on the scope cam here and let's see what kind of groups we can get with this thing. All right. Looks pretty good. You see RWS target, RWS subs, rifle match, some Normatec. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Get on the SUBSONICs. Do 5 shots. Let's do that one. See if we can do any better on the next 5. All right. Next 5. Oh. Let me put a couple more in here real quick. I got 1 down there. We'll put 5 more in real quick. That way we got a good solid group. Then we will move to the rifle or target, the RWS target match. I believe it is. Yep. Let's get 5 of these loaded. All right, get this last group of 5 done here. Let's start on the first one there. This is RWS target rifle. Going through the Ruger 1022. I think that was me. Ooh, that was 6. All right, let's try the next 5. There we go. I ain't mad. 1 more. Figures. All right. Let's get on the next 5 over on next target to the right. Not too bad. Let's do 1 more. That one threw that one out there. I'm happy if I can keep them all in that circle. That was me. Oh, that was the only 2 I had left. Let's see. I think I got 2 left in here. See if they'll cycle through here. And we'll get on to something else. Wow, look at that. Oh, I like those 2. Alright, what's next? RWS rifle match. Alright, let's get a couple of those loaded up. Okay. We got 20 of the RWS match loaded. Let's see how bad this thing does. Start on, is that number 11, I believe? 11 target. A little high. Ain't too bad. These ones are definitely a little hotter. Got a little more pepper in them. Do the next 5. All right. See if we can't bring that in a little bit. Oh. Alright. We got a whole bunch of wind, so let's try one more. I think I got enough left to do for one more shot, group of 5. Alright guys, we're back in the house. I had to cut the video short, and but we got these here so we can get them measured up anyway. Then you get to see the rest of them another day. So anyway, so we got these in, measured them up. RWS target went 1 inch, 1.176. That was the very first group that we shot with the RWS target. And then this one here, we had that flyer there, went 654. The first 4 though was 384. They shot real nice. Then we had a 3/4 inch group. Then another 3/4. That was only 4 shots. That was 3 there and 1 there. So they did pretty good. You know, it wasn't too bad. Then the RWS SUBSONICs, about 3/4 inch, 700. Then we had one that was a little over 1/2 inch. Then another one that was about 1/2 inch on the SUBSONIC. So those shot pretty good. The rifle match, the first 4, I think it was the first 4 or last 4 or something, I can't remember. But they went 347 on the top ones, but then with this one out here, it was just about 1/2 inch, 478. 508 on the second group. I don't know, I think this was me. I think this here's that weak stock. It just flexes. I'm still trying to get used to it. My other Ruger that I had with the same stock on it, I had a bunch of work done to it, and it was a lot stiffer. I mean, my other Ruger would make these groups look really bad. So, last group I shot of the rifle match, RWS rifle match, was 997, just shy of an inch between these two. I think that was a flyer, but that was me. But this here was under a half an inch, so I was pretty good with that. Definitely, I think it could do better if it had a better stock on it, but I'm not trying to make it better. I want to use it to be able to shoot the budget target rifles. I was just trying. I had a bunch of this ammo left, so, and it shot pretty good yesterday with the TAC 22, so I thought I would try some of this stuff and just see what it did. But I don't know. I got a couple more groups down here with some other ammunition, but we're gonna have to do that on another day. Otherwise, this video is gonna be 20 minutes long, and nobody wants to watch a 20-minute video of me shooting 5-round groups. So anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Hope you had a good weekend and get a better work week. So we'll be back out to the range here pretty soon. Hope you guys get out there yourselves. We'll see you guys there.